Hey guys! A few days ago I've published a video with this nice 11 hobby that I got on Banggood, but now not a regular line of sight flying, but an FPV flying, a scale FPV actually. And I was asked how I installed everything on the FPV. So first of all, let's take this edge, and I bought another one just for the FPV, which is a place here. I bought it on Hobby King. And what I did is, here's the camera. So I installed it on a Turnigy 180 degrees. This is an HS1177 camera. So I just found a form that I kind of sized it to the place that I'm going to put it into the hatch, and I place it here like that. It's quite stable. And then here's the servo lid, and then I got here the DC volt and the ground and the video, which is connected to the transmitter. Got here a 5.8 200 milliwatt transmitter from Foxeer. So I connected here the power and the video, and here I got a JST that's going to be connected to the battery on the plane. So I got everything that I can just take off, take on, power it off, power it on. Usually the transmitter are getting hot, so I can just before the flight I can connect it. Now what you can see in the plane, first of all, I'm going to use the Dragon Link system, and I have connected to the XT60 JST to power on the transmitter. Yes, I need to figure out how to make it much less spaghetti. This servo lid is going to be connected to the servo because of course, to move the tilt, the pan on the camera. And also it's going to be connected here to my fat shark and internal module, the Trinity, for the head tracker, connected via this cable to the training port in the Taranis. So this is the configuration, and let's see how it works. Okay, so I just connected the battery and the JST to the transmitter, and I pushed inside what I showed you before, this foam, and it looks quite steady and nice and clean. And the camera is inside. Nice camera, hello. And connected the servo lid. Okay. So it's also connected to the Taranis, to the training port, and to the fat shark. And I will push this head tracker, and magic. Let's go to the sides.